October paints the world in pink, a color of courage, more than we think. 1 in 8 women, that's someone you know, fighting a battle, still choosing to glow. Early checks can save a life, a moment's care cuts through the strife. Feel for change, don't look away, awareness grows with every day. We are stronger in pink, hand in hand we rise, turning pain to power through the tears and cries. Hope is louder than fear will ever be. Together we shine, together we're free. Over 2 million hearts each year take the test. Dreams put on hold, but faith never rests. Science and love, side by side they stand. Healing begins when we lend a hand. To every fighter, every scar, you're the reason we've come this far. To every survivor, every tear, your strength inspires year after year. We are stronger in pink, and we'll never fall. With love and awareness, we'll conquer it all. Together we promise, we'll always care, because every life is worth every prayer. So wear your pink, raise your voice clear. October's a reminder love conquers fear. Over 2 million hearts each year take the test. Dreams put on hold, but faith never rests.